Get ready to dive into the ultimate list of 10 Amazon tools that are truly next level. From futuristic gadgets to practical gizmos, we're about to uncover some serious game changers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love discovering cool innovations, this video is packed with must-have items. The Jokari 20050 is a compact but incredibly functional tool for anyone who has to strip wires. The tool is capable of working with wires from 0.2 mm to 6 mm in diameter. It will be suitable for almost any task, be it consumer electronics, car repair, or construction work. The main thing is the incredible ease of use. The special ergonomic design allows you to easily operate the tool with one hand while holding the wire securely. And the built-in stripping length limiter and clamp lock function make the process as simple and error-free as possible. The Jokari 20050 is equipped with high-quality replaceable blades that ensure neat and clean stripping of wires without the risk of damaging them. And the sturdy construction guarantees long life and reliable performance. It is an indispensable assistant for any craftsman. An essential accessory for your car is the This Works car vacuum cleaner. It is compact, lightweight at only 2.4 pounds and easy to use. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it has a powerful 106-watt suction motor that can easily handle dust, debris, or crumbs in hard-to-reach places. In addition, this mini vacuum cleaner has a high-quality washable filter that ensures long-lasting use without having to replace components. The vacuum cleaner comes with a set of accessories for detailed car cleaning, including 3 attachments: flat, extended, or brush, a storage bag, a filter cleaning brush, and a spare HEPA filter. The vacuum cleaner plugs into a 12-volt cigarette lighter, ensuring constant power while cleaning. Plus, the 16-foot-long cable gives you the freedom of movement to clean the back seat or trunk with no hassle. Universal protective covers are the perfect solution to protect your car's sills from scratches and chips. The covers are made of a durable film with 3D carbon imitation. They are easily installed on the front and rear door sills, fully repeating their shape. Thanks to the adhesive layer, the covers will hold firmly in any weather. Rain, washing, or heat are not afraid of them. They also protect the paint from abrasion by shoes when getting into the car. Overlays are suitable for most car models: sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks. Installation takes a couple of minutes. Clean the surface, remove the protective film, and press tightly. This is an easy and inexpensive way to protect your car interior from damage and keep it looking like new. The multi-purpose butane soldering kit is equipped with a self-igniter, which makes it very convenient to use. Just press the special button and it is ready to go. There is the ability to adjust the flame from 0.5 to 2.5 inches, and the operating temperature reaches up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. The butane cylinder is made of metal, which allows it to be refilled. The capacity of the cylinder allows you to run for up to 75 minutes without interruption, and it only takes 10 seconds to refill. This means you can finish your work without unnecessary interruptions. The powerful bottle jack can safely lift and hold both regular cars and trucks up to 6,000 pounds. The patented design combines a bottle jack and a stand in one unit, safe for lifting vehicles with load-bearing and frame bodies. The piston stroke ranges from 11 to 21 inches. This is sufficient for lifting SUVs, pickup trucks, and minivans. The built-in ratchet mechanism reliably fixes the car at the desired height. The wide base provides stability on soft surfaces. The patented device allows you to instantly fold down the rear seat by simply pulling the strap and easily access the hidden compartment under the rear seat of your Ford pickup truck. Installation takes just a couple of minutes. No bodywork modification is required. Now you can easily access the recess under the rear seat at any time and utilize the extra storage space. The Built-Right rear seat lock is a convenient and useful upgrade for your pickup truck. A product for cleaning and protection of the entire fuel system of the car engine, fuel ramp, injectors, exhaust gas neutralizer, and oxygen sensors. Cataclean application is very simple. Once in 3 months, it is enough to pour it into the tank before refueling. The special formula dissolves deposits, cleanses injectors, and restores compression. The remedy is suitable for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines. It is safe and does not disturb the composition of the fuel. Regular use will allow your car to run like new and extend the life of the engine. Complete set for removing and installing timing belt on vehicles with idler pulley. Includes long lever, a special ratchet socket wrench, and adapters for different sizes of socket wrenches. Also included are 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 millimeter socket wrenches for loosening tensioner bolts and pulleys, and 3 horn bits in the same sizes. The long lever allows you to position the desired wrench or head and forcefully turn the tensioner roller to loosen or tension the belt. A multifunctional jump starter for the car will be a real boon for all car enthusiasts. A multifunctional device 8-in-1 combines several useful functions at once. It is a compact and powerful portable jump starter for car with a starting current of 2,000 amperes. It will start a gasoline engine up to 7 liters in a few seconds. It is equipped with a LED flashlight with different lighting modes. It has a built-in compass. It is also a powerful 20,000 mAh external battery with a fast charging function. On the large LED screen, it is intuitively clear how to start the car correctly. The V8 Mate wireless car vacuum cleaner is a compact and lightweight unit weighing only 1.2 pounds. Despite its size, it has a powerful brushless motor and delivers a high suction power of 12 kilopascals. A set of useful attachments will make it easy to clean the hardest to reach areas of the interior, trim, and mats. There is even a special brush for pet hair. The 2,500 mAh battery will provide up to 30 minutes of intensive cleaning. Charging via USB-C takes just 2 hours. The Nyrika Mega 1500 features a Bafang 1500-watt mid-drive motor providing 200 nanometers of torque, enabling speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour, 38 miles per hour. Its 840 watt-hour battery offers a range of 80 kilometers, 52 miles, depending on riding conditions. Equipped with dual suspension, 140 millimeters front, 140 millimeters rear, it provides smooth handling over rough terrain. The hydraulic disc brakes, 160 millimeters rotors, ensure solid stopping power, and fat 26x4 tires improve grip on loose surfaces. Weighing 31.8 kilograms, the bike has a carbon fiber frame, which balances weight and durability. The LCD display tracks ride data, and the bike offers customizable. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews, like this video, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.